Hello and thanks for joining me in my kitchen, and a warm welcome to you if it's your first time. Product review today, and today we'll be looking at kitchen scales. Now we'll be looking at Salter kitchen scales today. They've been around since 1760 and they do a lot more other gadgets as well. So let's take a look. So these are the scales that we're going to be going through. Now I've got the waterproof electronic scale here. Now this was used in the Great British Bake Off, and I know many of you are a fan of that, so I'm sure you'll be wanting to know how this works. Also we've got the disc electronic scale as well. We also have the scale with an app and Bluetooth as well, so that's going to be quite interesting. Oh, I've got it the wrong way around. And also we have the Max 15 kg kitchen scale, and I like to call this one the chopping board scale. So guys, let me speak to you about this waterproof electronic scale first. Now it has a rating of IPX7, which most phones have as well, and also the capacity is 5 kg too. It's an add and weigh scale, so if you were to add one of the ingredients in there, you can then just zero it and add something else on there as well. Also you can measure it in metrics and imperial as well, so grams and fluid ounces and mils. It also has an aquatronic function too, which means you don't need a measuring jug, and so that's quite handy too. It was also featured in the Great British Bake Off, so it must be good, right? Batteries are also included, and it comes with a 15-year guarantee as well. Also, you can wash it, which is so good. If it becomes dirty, you can just pop it in the sink, just give it a rinse, and it's clean. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so let's take a look at the disc electronic scale. Now, it's very nice, very slimline as well, which means that it's easy to store. The platform is made from stainless steel, so it's easy to clean. The display unit here is very clear as well. Let's just switch that on. Units, again, metrics and imperial, you can change it, flick it to ounces, mils, fluid ounces, grams. Also, you can add and weigh, which means you can measure multiple ingredients in one bowl. So let's just switch that off. So to switch it off, you just need to hold onto the button for 2 seconds, and also it will, if it's left inactive, it will switch off by itself in about 3 minutes. Capacity for it is 5 kg. Batteries are included in this, and it has 15 years guarantee, and it's great for everyday use. And let's take a look at the next one. Okay, so let me just go through the features for the Max 15 kg. Now I like to call it the chopping board scale. Now as you can see that it has an extra large glass chopping board platform. It's easy to clean as well. It's great if you've got big bowls. You've also got a very good, easy to read, large display screen too. Now here, the buttons, let me just press that and show you. So there you go, you can see that we can flick through the units too. It's very responsive as well. It's quite sensitive, and you can flick through fluid ounces, grams, pounds, mils, etc. Again, like the other two scales that we talked about, it's also aquatronic. It has an aquatronic function too, so you can measure liquids, so you don't need your measuring jugs, less washing. It's add and weigh, so you can add multiple ingredients into the same bowl. It has a max capacity of 15 kg, a 15-year guarantee as well, and batteries are also included. It's slimline, so it's easy to store too. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so now let's look at the Salter Cook Bluetooth connected kitchen scale and thermometer. Now this comes again with a 15-year guarantee like the other 3 scales that we looked at. It has a capacity of 10 kg, add and weigh again, so you can add your multiple ingredients in the same bowl. It's actually quite lightweight too, very nice and slimline, so easy to store. And also it has aquatronic function as well, like the other 3, for measuring liquid, so no need for your measuring jugs, and you can just measure your cream, milk, water, etc. Easily. Now it's connected to an app on your phone that you would need to download, and it works with iOS and Android phones as well. Now you've also got a little unit down here when you've got two probes here. One is to measure the temperature in the oven, and the other one is for meats, for your jams, confectionery, for barbecues, so you know exactly what the temperature is. Now the buttons are just here. The units again works the same, so you can flick through very easily, and again if you want to zero, you just need to press that for 2 seconds and it should switch off. There you go. So let me just show you a quick demo of how this works. This is the Salter app on my phone. Now it's very easy to use. There's lots of recipes on there, and you can also add your own recipes too. Now for this to work, the scale needs to be switched on. For example, if we were to make this recipe here, I would just click on that, and then for example if you want to add caster sugar and it says 225 grams of caster sugar, I'll just press that there, and then what it does is it will synchronize and it will connect, and what it does is it automatically sets the 225 grams target here. So let me just show you. If I was to add the sugar in now into our bowl here, so let's get that to 225 grams. So you'll be able to read the measurements on your phone going up, and also on the scales too. So let's just get that up, and you can see that it's slowly going up. 200 and 225, and I don't know if you could hear that, but it actually did bleep, so it will make a sound. Okay guys, so let me just show you how the thermometer works. Again, that also connects to the app as well. The Bluetooth has to be on here as well on this unit. So for example, if we wanted to make a vegetable lasagna and we want to preheat the oven first, it says to 190 degrees. So I've already connected the probe in the unit here, and let's just click on 190 degrees. What it will do is it will synchronize. We're just going to accept that that is the correct temperature. Temperature showing at the moment is 26 degrees. And for example, if I was just to hold this, sorry, I forgot to mention, this actually goes inside the oven, so it does have a clip over here. This would go inside your oven, and this obviously would stay outside, and then as your oven heats up, the temperature will start going up, and it will hit the target here, and it will bleep as well, so you'll know that it's hit 190 degrees. Now let me just show you. My hands are a little bit cold at the moment, but as you can see, that's just gone up slightly, but you get the idea anyways. Same thing with this probe too. So this is for your barbecue, your meats, your jams. So let's just go through a quick recap of all the scales. So guys, let's quickly recap on all these scales and just go through the similarities. Now they all come with an aquatronic function, which means you can measure liquids. Also, you can add and weigh, so you can measure multiple ingredients in one bowl. Comes with a 15-year guarantee as well, and also batteries are included in these, so that makes it one less thing to worry about. And also they're slightly different in their own way. For example, this one is completely waterproof, so if it goes messy, you can just give it a wash and clean it that way. So easy to clean. This is nice and slim, so you can store it away on your bookshelf or, you know, alongside your chopping boards. This one is connected to your phone, so it has a Bluetooth feature. You can also purchase the thermometer separately as well, and this comes with a 2-year guarantee. And with this final one, large glass surface, big bright display, and you can use it as a chopping board too. My personal favorite has to be between this one and this one. Now I like the look of this one, but this is something that I would probably use every day. I just found it so easy to use, and it's so light, and I can wash it too. Now for more information on these scales, I have linked everything in the description box below, so do check it out, and also do check out the other products that Salter does too. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.